Square or square? Let's see.
Theo, can you say, what did you say when you said thank you?
Feel it, child. Alright, your papa's all set to be hitched to a sleigh with a harness of bells for a long evening's flight. How would you tell your flying papa good night? Yeah? What would you say? Yeah? Good night just like that? How do we make a reindeer? If you were a reindeer, what would you look like? Yeah? What would you look like if you were a reindeer? Would you have a little nose? You'd have a big nose? Would you have little ears? No? What kind of ears would you have? Look at your ears would be like, look at this? Your ears would be green? Oh, I see.
Say goodbye to Sarah and we're home.
It's time for me to go home. Let's do one more page. Let's do one more page and I'll go home. If you were a robot, a toy in a tent, with a brass-covered gearbox and a zinc-plated chin, your girls walking lane and your eyes shining bright. How would you tell your metal mama good night? Biz clank, biz clank.
One more piece.
Can you share it with your brother? Lucas, that was a very good sharing. That's it. Merry Christmas to all and to all. Good night.
Santa say good night.
Yeah.
Good night.
Good night, says Santa Claus.
Helicopter. That's Santa Claus.
Oh, this is a sleigh. Yeah, that's a sleigh that flies through the sky. Yeah.
Wait, next. No more doggies.
I think I'm going to go home, and I think that probably Daddy and Mommy want to read this with you.
I'll read it with you.
Yeah. I think Daddy wants to spend some very special time with you. Okay, hug goodbye.
You want to read that one, Theo?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Goodbye, Theo. Hug goodbye. Big hug for the little monkey.
No.
Should I get you snuggled in? I'm ready. Here you go. Oh, there you go.
Daddy,
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.